Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making Arabian Harissa. For this I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken, 3 medium tomatoes chopped, 2 onions chopped, juice of 2 lemons, 3 to 4 green chilies sliced, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic, a handful of coriander leaves, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 3/4 cup of oil, 4 cups of water and 2 cups of porridge. Now first of all we will heat the oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now oil is heated and now we will add in onions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will fry the onions till light golden in color. Okay, now onion is light golden and now we will add in tomatoes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ginger garlic, salt and garam masala. And now we will cook this for 5 minutes till tomatoes are tender. Now after 5 minutes I am opening the lid. See, tomatoes are tender and now we will add in chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now after 10 minutes I am removing the lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And you can see the water which we have added, it's almost dried. And now we will add in this porridge. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And remaining water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now we will cook this covered till both the chicken and porridge are tender and water dries up. Now this water has been dried and porridge and chicken are tender. And now we will turn off the flame. In the end we will add in coriander leaves. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Green chilies and lemon juice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now this is done. Our Arabian harissa with very simple ingredients is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.